Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of April 17th through the 23rd. This is my printable wellness and fitness planner from Baker Lane Studio. I do have a link in the description box for that to give you a discount on this. You can do dated or undated, and this is based on the original Happy Planner Wellness and Fitness Planner, the Breathe Planner, which is great because it's based on a normal vertical with some other wellness things thrown in. So all your vertical stickers will work for it, even though I don't use them as often in this planner. The theme I'm going with this week is brought to us by, it's one of the options brought to us by the planner challenge that I run. This is for the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks group on Facebook, one of the big groups. And one of our options this week is monochrome. And I love a good monochrome spread. They're just so fun and easy and striking. That's the thing. They're very striking when you just see one color. I love it. So thinking of April, I always think of the old adage, April showers bring May flowers. It's always very rainy in April. So I think of blue. This, by the way, if you see the stripe on there between the dark and the light, this nail polish, it's actually a thermal polish. So it is up on my fingers. This lighter color blue is actually the warm state, and then this darker down here where my fingernails hang off, that is the darker state, is the cool state. So it just kind of gives me an automatic kind of an ombre effect. So fun. I will link this nail polish in the description box, or not link it, but tell you what it is. So anyway, that brings me to the reason I chose the stickers I chose. I like blue for April because it makes me think of rain and spring. So I pulled that or gray actually, and there isn't a gray book in this set from Live Love Posh. So I pulled the blue book and I went flipping through to look for stickers that are all blues and also that I haven't used before. And this back set just is perfect. I love it. It's kind of a grayish indigo blue color. I've never used it, and it's one of my favorite colors, one of my favorite shades of blue. So we're going to use these. This book also has all the other functional stuff I need for a spread like this, and then it matches perfectly with this older KaiserCraft sticker book, this kind of indigo sticker book. I absolutely adore it. It's so pretty. So that is it. That's what we're going to do. Let's start by doing the middle section. So in the middle section, I like to do workouts, food diary, and hydration. The hydration is already printed. So what I'll do is I'll pick a mild liner to fill those in each day. I like to use the checklists that are in here because they have 5 spots, but I have to trim the bottom off so that it'll go, it doesn't cover up this first hydration bubble, so it's perfect. So what I'm going to do, I think I'll use this middle shade of blue. None of them match super well, but I think since there are the most of these and they kind of give me the lightest color, I'm going to use these. I work out every other day, so I'm Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off this top bullet point for each one, and then I'll flip it upside down and stick it on the page. If you're gonna do a food diary, you know, you can have 5 or 4 meals a day, whatever. For me, it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, which I actually don't even eat that much. I usually eat my main meal at lunchtime, and that's it. So this is what I refer to as my kiss cutting craft knife. It's somewhat dull, so it allows me to do what is referred to as kiss cutting, which is cutting through the sticker, but not the paper the backing paper that it's stuck to. So with my super pointy tweezers, I've already sped this up. I'm putting one of these on each day, and then like I said, every other day gets a workout sticker as well. These tweezers are from dealing with artificial eyelashes. I do have a link in the description box for these. They are, actually, I'm going to put these right side up, I think. It's an Amazon affiliate link. Don't be afraid of affiliate links. They don't cost you any extra. They they just take a couple pennies of the profit and send it in my direction to kind of reward me for directing you toward the product. All right, and I did go ahead and choose a different color of blue to put on there just to kind of intermingle some of the different colors. Let's go ahead and grab one for up there as well, a small box, and I can write in keto. So this set of circles was on the original Wellness and Fitness Planner, and it said exercise, but this way you can write whatever you want. You can do reading and just check it off. I do keto and then a smiley face or a frowny face depending on how low carb I ate over the given day. I also need a space up here for my weigh-in. I just weigh in once a week, Monday or Tuesday. So there are no square stickers in this book. Let's see what we can find in here though. Something round, maybe that's light, that I could write on. Maybe a half circle. I could use this one and write in a white pen, like a jelly roll. I've used this sticker book a lot. I love this sticker book. Let's use this one with the little gold foil stars on it. And then we'll bring down a banner and write the weigh-in on the banner. So maybe this one. And that way I can just use a black pen. So it doesn't have to be a scale. I can just write my number right in there. Okay. Next, let's look for some words to put across the very, very bottom. So I've been reading so many books. Well, I can talk about these while I'm looking. I've been reading so many books that I've started writing what I'm reading each day across the bottom. I'm just really tearing through the Megan Quinn books. I think I'm needing a little bit of a break because all I wanted to do is sit and read. So I'm really going through the books. I do have my Goodreads profile linked in the description box if you want to follow me and see what I'm reading. So these books are great because they have gold words on navy blue, and then they also have white words. So I think we'll bring some navy blue down here. I know these are hard to read. Don't Look Back, that's a good one. You Are Amazing is another really good one for a wellness and fitness planner. Let's grab that one. And I like Kindness is Magic as well, and that can be kindness toward others, kindness toward yourself. So I'm just looking to see which one's longer, and I'll put the longer one over here. Oh, so I was starting to say, so yeah, that's what I'm reading. We are just finishing up Dexter New Blood. That's what we've been watching. And listening to the rain. We're in the rainy season right now in the Pacific Northwest, so listening to, smelling the rain. Yeah, and then for positive word and feeling, I can pick something out of here. That's usually why I like to use these. I like feeling wild, like just go wild, take a day off. And positive word. Let's pick smile. Okay, and then one more. I think I want to look for something maybe to put up here as a weekend banner. Well, you know what? We're going to come back to these because I need to figure out what I want to do. I'm thinking I want to go ahead and go with really big clusters of florals. So I could put this one down here for sure. And maybe we'll use a corner one as well on that side. Let's do it. I just love putting these great big florals down, and they need to come up from the bottom because they're growing, you know? And then something to kind of match with that, maybe let's use this corner one coming out. It's really tall, but I don't care. Let's do it. Because I just feel like I need something else to kind of balance with that. Let's see if I can stick this one down without getting a wrinkle in it and ripping my page. And it is covering up Monday just a tiny little bit, but you know what? Don't care. Okay. This floral is my favorite on the entire page because it looks kind of like a cherry blossom floral, but it's blue, which is unexpected. So I'm going to stick it down here because maybe we should cut it in half. Let's cut it in half. So when you're going to cut a floral like this in half, or any kind of decorative element, grab a big pair of scissors because you want to be able to make one quick, clean, decisive cut with no hesitation. And if you use tiny scissors, you're not going to get all the way across a really big decorative element. And you really want to cut it straight because you're going against the edge of the page. So don't hesitate, just make your cut. Otherwise, the harder you try to go slow and make it a straight cut, the more likely you are to end up with a crooked cut, actually. And you know what? I should have chosen a different floral to do that with because now you can't even see the design that really drew my attention to it. But what's done is done. So I feel like I want something right there. Let's grab this little guy and put up there. And then I think I want, this is going to be a super, super quick spread. I think I really just want to put a couple words in these little bits of empty spaces and we'll call it done. So collect moments. You are lovely. Choose to shine. I like collect moments a lot. So we're just going to center this across Saturday and Sunday. Ooh, I love this don't look back too. Don't look back, collect moments. They almost go together, you know. And then I feel like I could put something here and something here. But what we can do then is grab these words to kind of do a counterbalance to those. So choose to shine, be true to yourself. Those are all really good. Never give up. That is a really, really good one for a wellness and fitness planner. And then something for right there that I don't already have. You are so lovely. That's another good one. Choose to shine. That's the one I said I was going to do. Which I like the counterbalance of choose to shine. Since I said earlier we are in kind of the rainy season right now in the Pacific Northwest. Luckily I don't suffer from seasonal affective disorder, but I know it's really hard on a lot of people who do. So that looks awesome. I love that. I'm just toying with the idea of cutting one of these big florals and sticking it down the side, but I think I'm gonna call that good. I think this is very impactful. Definitely fits the monochrome theme. So this was a quick one. That's what happens when you use really, really big decorative elements, but you know what? I'm fine with that. So there we go. There's my monochrome blue spread, April showers blue rain spread in my wellness and fitness planner. Looks great with the blue discs. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to create a safe space for you where you don't have the intrusion of all the things that might be weighing on you from your other planners. It can be a really nice option if you're struggling, if you're having a bad day. You know, it's a safe place you can turn to and not be distracted by, like I said, the things that might be weighing heavily on you. So if you like this video, please do consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me. Thank you.